We're looking to see. I think it's Mr. O'Brien Chang. I think so, but it just says Chang.
We're still on the hot topic is so. Which Chang anyway, said this?
The first hot topic, government to spend $950 million on Port Royal Street Coastal Project. So they broke ground for that, which will see the implementation of a 1 kilometer composite seawall and an armor stone. As this is a structure that I'm not certain what it will look like. Now, the project, which is being funded through a loan from the World Bank, is to start this month, I'm told. The project will also see the upgrading of draining features as well as the rehabilitation and rising of the existing roadway. Additionally, a 4.7 kilometer wide boardwalk will also be constructed to improve the site's aesthetic and promote recreational activity along the shoreline.